Hi guys, how are you? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to learn linear equation with one variable. So I am starting the chapter. Guys, we are familiar with this kind of expression like 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Okay? Next, 9 plus 3 equals to 12. We are familiar with it. These expressions are called numeric expressions. Numeric expressions. Okay. So, when we write instead of that x plus 4 equals to 7, here I am using this letter or alphabets instead of a number. So it is a algebraic equation, and this x is called variable. What is variable? Variable can store or its value changes. That is why it is called variable. We elaborate it as the lesson progress. So first we start that what makes an equation, or what are the properties of equation, features of equation, etc. Like I am writing a equation like 3x plus 15 equals to, say, 18. Okay, now the first properties 1, this is an expression. These are the expression. So expression with variable and constant like 15, 18. Two, there will be equal to sign. Three, there will be two sides. Of an equation. This is called LHS, and this is called RHS. It means the value of the LHS must be equal to the value of the RHS, and for there will be coefficient. Here 3 is the coefficient of x. Okay, can I rub it? And what method we follow to simplify the equation. Okay, 1 multiplication, 2 both sides, division, both sides, 3 transposition. 3 is transposition. Okay, and this is a suggestion. Try to keep variable in LHS. Okay, this is not a rule, this is my suggestion. As a beginner, you try to keep the variable in the LH side. Okay, now I am solving the equation. Now I am solving the equation. So 3x equals to 18 minus 15. This is called transposition. I am just change the side of the constant 15 in the LHS to the RHS. So there is a rule that whenever you change the side of a variable or a constant, you have to change the sign. Here it is plus 15. So whenever I change 15 to the RH side, I have changed the sign also. This was plus, now it is minus. Okay, now 3x equals to 3. 18 minus 15, 18 minus 15, 3. Okay, now I have to remove 3 from here. I have to find the value of x. So right here, dividing both sides means LHS and RHS. Dividing both sides by 3. Okay, so 3x by 3 equals to 3 by 3. So 3 ones are 3. So x equals to 1. Now we have found the value of x is 1. Okay, now proof. The value of x equals to 1. Now I am replacing the value of x. Now 3x means 3 into 1 plus 15 equals to 18. That is 3 ones are 3 plus 15 equals to 18. That is 3 plus 15 equals to 18 equals to 18. So both sides, LH sides, from LH sides we have got 18 and RH side is 18. So the equation is correct. Okay, this equals to this. So the equation, the value of x, we have found the value of x equals to 1. It is correct. You can prove by yourself. Now I am taking the examples of R.S. Agarwal, exercise 9C, page number 144 for 6th grade. Okay, so question number 3. Find a number which when multiplied by 5 is increased by 80. So find a number which when multiplied multiplied by 5 is increased by 80. So find a number. I don't know what is the number. So this is the unknown number. So unknown number, whenever if you are asked to find a unknown number, you take variable like x or whatever, a to z. So let be the number is x. Okay, now the number which when multiplied by 5 is increased by 80 means the 80 is added to the number when you multiply the number by 5. So the equation will be 5x. Okay, let be this the x into 5. I am multiplying the number by 5 equals to, it will be increased. So x plus 80. This is the increased. So 5x equals to x plus 80. Now I am doing transposing the 5x. Here it is plus x, the minus x equals to 80. Now 5x minus x equals to 4x equals to 80. Now dividing both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4. Why 4? I have to remove 4 from x, that is why I am taking 4. So it will be 4x by 4 equals to 80 by 4. So 4, now 4, 20 equals to 80. So x equals to 20. Okay. Now you can verify this. Say the value of x equals to 20. Okay. Now I am verifying this. I am replacing the value of x with x. The value of x equals to 20. 20 into 5 equals to 20 plus 80. The 25s are 100 and it is 20 plus 80 equals to 100. So LHS equals to RHS. So our equation is correct. Okay. Now there is another problem. Now the question number 12, say 12. Rina is 6 years older than her brother Ajoy. Okay. If the sum of their age, if the sum of their age is 28 years, what are their present age? What are their present age? Okay. Now, the Rina is 6 years older than her brother Ajoy. If the sum of their age is 28 years, what are their present age? Now, here, if I consider that the Rina's brother age is X, then Rina's age is X plus 6. And these two ages, if I sum these two ages, it will give 28 years. So we can start like that. Let the age of Ajoy is X. Then the equation will be x plus 6 equals to 28. This is Ajoy's age and this is Rina's age. Rina's age. And if you sum these ages, age of Ajoy and age of Rina, we get, according to question, it will be 28 years. Okay. So x plus 6 equals to 28. Now x plus x, 2x plus 6 equals to 28. Now 2x equals to 28 minus 6 by transposing here it is plus 6. I am changing the side from LHS to RHS, that is why it is minus 6. So So 2x equals to 28 minus 6 equals to 22. Now I have to remove 2 from x, so I have to divide both sides by 2. So it is 2x by 2 equals to 22 by 2, 2. Now 2 11s are 22. So x equals to x equals to 11. Now I am putting the value, I am replacing the value in the equation. The value of x equals to 11. This is the verification that whether it is right or wrong. X equals to, we have found that x equals to 11. Okay, now I am replacing the value of x. So instead of x I can write 11 plus, within bracket, instead of x I am writing 11 plus 6 equals to 28. Now 11 plus 11 plus 6 equals to 28. So there is 211, I mean 22 plus 6, 2 11s are 22 plus 6 equals to 28. Now 22 plus 6 equals to 28 equals to 28. So LHS equals to RHS. So this equation is correct. So the age of the age of Ajay and Reena Ajay is 11 and Reena is 11 plus 6 equals to 17. I think there is no problem. Can I have it? Now there is another problem. page say 145. Okay, page 145, and question number is 23. The length of a rectangular hall is 5 meters. The length of a rectangular hall is 5 meter more than its breadth. This one. More than breadth. If the perimeter of the hall is 74 meter, find its length and breadth. Okay, so the question, the length of a rectangular hall is 5 meter more than its breadth. So I don't know what is the breadth. It may be 7 meters, 10 meters, whatever. So this is unknown to me. So if breadth is known, then the length will be greater than the breadth of 5 meter greater than the breadth. So let the breadth is x meter. According to the question, the perimeter is 74 meter. We know the formula of perimeter is 2 within bracket, 2 into L plus B, length plus breadth. So we can write like this: 2 into x plus 5 plus x equals to 74. This is length and this is breadth. Okay, so I am multiplying. 2x means 2 into x means 2x plus 2 5s are 10 plus 2 into x, 2x equals to 74. Now 2x plus 2x is 4x equals to 74 plus 10 I have to change it to minus 10. So 4x equals to 64. 64. Now by transposing, now I have to divide it. To remove 4, I have to divide it both sides by 4. The dividing both sides by 4. So 4x by 4 equals to 64 by 4. Now 64 is 64. 4 ones are 4. 2, 4, 4 6 are 24. So this is 16. So x equals to 16. X equals to 16. I am writing the question. X equals to 16. So what is the length? Length is, I am replacing the value of x. Here it is 2x plus 5 plus x equals to 74. By replacing the value of x, we get 2 into x equals to 16. I am replacing the value of x plus 5 plus 16 equals to 74. That is 16 plus 5. Okay, 2. There is 2 16. So 16 to the 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. 2 into 37 equals to 74. Now 37 into 2, 2 sevens are 14, carried over 1, 3 twos are 6 and 1, 74. So this gives 74 equals to 74. That means LHS equals to RHS. So our equation is correct. Any problem, guys? I don't think so. There is no problem. Now Now 21. Problem number 21. The number of boys, the number of boys in a school in a school is 334 more than the number of girls. Okay, if the total strength total strength of the school is 572, find the number of girl student. Okay, so the question says that the number of boys in a school is 334. We know the number of boys. The number of boys in a school is 334 more than the number of girls. If the total strength of the school is 572, find the number of girls student. If we know the number of girls student, then it will be easier for us to find the number of boys. So here the unknown number is the number of girls. So we can start like this. Let the number of girls, let the number of girls is x. So according to the question, the equation will be x plus plus 334. Here x is girls and this is boys, the number of boys, and x plus x 334 equals to, if we sum these number of students, I mean the girls and boys, we get 572. Okay, so x plus 334 equals to 572, that is 2x equals to 572. I am transposing minus 334. So 2x equals to 572 minus 334, that is 8. 3 238. Now I have to remove 2 from x, so I have to divide both sides by 2. So 2x by 2 equals to 238 by 2. I am rubbing the question, please. Then 2, and that is 119. So x equals to 119. If we divide 238 by 2, then 2 ones are 2, 3, 2 ones are 2, then 1, 8, 2 nines are 18. Okay, so x equals to 19. So this is the number of girl student, and the number of boy student is more than 334. So (119) plus 334 So what is the number of boy student? 334 plus 119, 3, 5, 4, 453. The number of boy student is 453. That is girl student. This is boy student. Okay, now I have to verify. We have got the value of girl student and the boy student. Now I have to verify this. Now x is 119, I mean the girl student, then boy student is more than 334 of the girl's number, then 119 plus 334 equals to 572. That is 119 plus 453 equals to 572. Now you sum this number, 119, 453 plus 119, that is 12, 2, carried over 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 1, 5, 572. So LHS equals, our equation is correct. Okay. Like, and share. It will encourage me to make more videos like this. Have a good day. See you soon again. Bye.